All right, babes. I'm here to demonstrate the wonders of the pocket door. So that's the track that Elvis laid. And these are the gorgeous vintage French doors that I found. Do you see how they close and open? Now it's closed. And now it's open. So this is the doorknob that he removed. Oh, I love it. I love our pocket doors. And now they're gone.